Okay. So let's start to walk. I want to kind of record the way that leg is moving. And so what do you feel?
This leg feels like it's like a half a foot longer than this leg.
Right?
So
We'll head that way.
and then I think it's just because I'm trying to walk now that I think it's just throbbing and aching in this area, right?
Okay. So, I mean, whether it's weakness in the quadricep muscle, whether I haven't figured out yet what exactly is going on. So you've got a little bit of this, like,
Yeah.
you know, I'll call it an instability, but basically it's just you don't have the control yet that we want. So let's take a seat. Let me get that out of your way. Take a seat.
On the end?
Yeah, right on the end so you're facing forward. And what I want you to do for me is just with the leg straight, can you lift it from there? That's a weak position already.
Jeremy
Yeah.
had me trying that last week. He said, lift this leg, and then he had me do this leg, and it
Right.
was amazing. I couldn't get
Right.
it up as high.
Let's scoot so you're sitting right on the front edge a little more.
Okay. Here.
And yep, straight leg, like heel on the ground. And then straight up for me.
And I can feel it in there, right?
What I'm going to do is I'm going to ask you to do a lot of these over the next couple days.
Okay.
This is going to be like the new home exercise program.
Okay.
Because what we need to figure out is, and when it's down, take a break. When it's down, I want it as straight, like locked into full extension.
Like this?
As straight as possible.
Okay.
So what you actually do, if I tighten my quad,
Yeah.
my knee goes straight. That motion
This?
right there,
Like this?
hold that, and then lift it when you're fully, right there, and then lift it. That's it. That's it. Give me one more like that. Now keep that and lift the heel. Lift the whole leg. Perfect. You know, because the tendency is going to be like the leg will want to bend as you lift it.
Yeah.
I want you to really focus on tight through the quad.
Okay.
This is going to improve walking. So you
Okay.
have full
That's
range of
what I
motion
want.
everywhere.
Yeah.
What you're having a hard time with is controlling the knee extension when you're walking.
Okay.